So hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So previous year's question analysis continue to see. We'll continue with statistics session number 2, 6 marks ki question number. Okay. So 2017 the hankiba question on. So question jina hyjing find the mean and median. Mean ga median ga puthoy. Natra so data ka piram data je hafet study to because the data says marks below 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. The number of students in 1943, 72, 100, 158, 201, 268, 280. Si pirami. Sige data. Sige marks kaya no. Okay, so pirami with data is quite hana fazana analyzed. Okay, pirami with data is not kari high no. So first of all, I na data is understand tong na. Okay. Process sama yengs. So it has na hyjig any yengs because 0 like that. So let's say 10 like that. Okay. So this is the 20. Sina represent is na marks ma'am. Okay. So 30 sina 40 50 60 70 and 80. Okay. So question jina hyjig ko 10 gi makhada phangbo mayam se 0 to 10 natra. So 10 gi makhada phangbo jina kya no angang 19. So mana 10 gi makhada phangi se angang 19 ni. Okay. Mathang ding se 20 gi makhada phangbo 20 to makhada phangbo is 0 to 20. Okay. Sina 43 ni. Gantar ni ko. Adagi amok man hyjis is the 30 gi makhada phangbo jina kya ne hai ba. So 72 students. Natra 40 gi makha phangbo jina 100. So we have 40 dena 0 dena 40 books na kya phangani 100. Natra 50 is now 158. So 50 gi makhada like student may jina 158. Okay. 60 is na 201. Okay, so 60 bhau phangi ba angang myam sina 201. So 70 bhau phangi sina 268. So 70 marks bhau phangi sina 268. Okay. Now the 80 bhau phangi sina marks angang 280. Okay. So mana pyramid data sidagi aikoina class interval ama thidoine. Now class interval theory is the section 0 to 10 class interval is the angang 19 lay and however 10 to 20 class interval one is the 43 pyramid is the sig 19 is yawrum. So 0 to 10 later 10 to 20 lay. Okay. So sinata idikarino have a matamda. Aikoina 0 to 20 minus is the 20 marks ki makha the pyramid 43 students is the 19 student ama yawram aduna 10 to 20 gi aikoina class interval ama same ge haibata di aikoina 43 sidagi asagi 19 je khaidukpa ma changye. Okay, adu ita di 10 to 20 the lay sikano 24 students. Okay. Similarly, minus the 30 is 72 and a period is the 0 to 20 gi 0 the gina 20 bobugi manung the labor. Angang ma'am 43 is yawne. So I coin a sidagi combine only 20 to 30 gi class interval is 72 minus 43 haina. So we have 29. Similarly, 30 to 40 yang umatam the 100 minus 72. Okay, 100 minus 72 is 28. So 50 to 60 gizu si ani ki marak sida lai si 158 minus 100. So we have 58 students. Yan tarani ko. Chap mana na 60 to 201 lera natra. So 201 minus kalani. 201 minus 158. Okay. So 201 minus 158 see 43. Yan tarani ko. Similarly, 60 to 70 yang with 268 minus 201. Okay. Adu ita di 268 minus 201 di 67 len. Ereko. So 72 80 gina 280 minus 268. So we have 12. Okay. So sumay na pirammiba data sidagi aikoina class interval ama semaga data si sagatuni. And then we can continue our calculation. So sigi mean puthokpada aikoina standard deviation method sizinagani ko. So we will proceed to solution. Natra pirammiba, the given data can be represented with interval classes as follows. Okay, so ahambada interval class se koina class interval natra ahambagi column in a class interval halasi. The next column will be frequency. So frequency see koina fi and lower. Yareko mathanga mid value of class interval xi. Okay. Mathanga di means di is equal to xi minus a when assume in log do natra. So ui is equal to di by class size h natra. Adi kay puthoni fi ui, and then cumulative frequency ama puthom gani karigino akoina median puthokadori bunina we will require cumulative frequency. Okay, so let us proceed natra. So 0 to 10 di kya lejani akoina mamang discuss to bidu maina 19 lerni natra. So 10 to 20 would be 43 minus 19, which is equal to 24. So 20 to 30 would be 72 minus 43. Okay, so 72 minus 43 kya like that 29. Okay, next is 30 to 40. 30 to 40 the 30 to 40 is 100 minus 72. So 100 minus 72, which is equal to 28. So 40 to 50. 40 to 50 hum yang see 158 minus 100, which is equal to 58. Okay. Now 40 to 50 manung mathanga akoida kailera 50 to 60. So 62, 70 and 72, 80. Okay. So 50 to 60 is 201 minus 158. So 201 minus 158, which is equal to 43. Another 43. Okay. Mathanga 60 to 70 is 268 minus 201. So 268 minus 201, which is equal to 67. So 70 to 80 is 280 minus 268. So we have 80 degi, 280 degi 268. Look, so we have 12. Okay. So we have frequency and class interval. Yeah, I got. Now the mid value the class interval ki lower limit plus upper limit. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. Now 0 to 10 akoina class size si 10 launina mid value z 10 10 hengalaga laani. So 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, and 75. Here we go. Now akoina assume means Maya is lower. So Maya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can either take 35 or 45. However, for our convenience sake, we will take 45 as the assumed min. There I go. Now 45 say assume min lower min xi is equal to 5 minus 45. Okay, so 5 minus 45 is 5 minus 45 is minus 40 natra. So consider yung ako'y class size 10 na 10 10 adum handarat la ni 15 minus 45 natra. Sida mo minus 20 minus 10 0 10 20 30. Okay. Mathanga di na minus di ui putho si ui is nothing but di divided by h. Class size na divide to what 10 na do it di minus 40 divided by 10 is equal to minus 4. Matang na minus 3 la ni minus 1 la ni 0 around 1 2 3. Okay. Matang the fi ui lower so 19 into 4 is minus 19 into 4 is minus 76. Nadra 24 into minus 3 is minus 72. 29 into minus 2 is 50 minus 58. So 22 into 28 into minus 1 is 28. 58 into 0 is 0. 43 into 1 is 43. 67 into 2 is 134. Nadra. And of course 12 into 3 is 36. So sumina the data is 11. Okay. Now cumulative frequency is क्या cumulative frequency दे तो मान pyramid data तो है नहीं ना था 19 43 70 200 158 201 268 and 280. Okay. Now today is the equation summation of fi put summation of fi the fi means my cumulative frequency 280 and then summation of fi ui summation of fi ui have the fi ui the tar low in the tension number minus 76 plus minus 72 plus minus 58 plus minus 28 plus 43 plus 134 plus 36. We get minus 21. Okay. Otherwise, the data so here assuming the 45 log. So summation of fi is equal to 280. Summation of fi ui. fi ui is equal to minus 21. Okay. Next is h is equal to 10. Okay. Otherwise, therefore mean x bar is equal to formula put standard deviation gi a plus summation of fi ui upon summation of fi into h. Okay. So assuming a 45 log summation of fi ui is minus 21 upon fi is 280 into 10. Okay. Now see is a calculator the 45 minus lowest term the 3 by 4 lani which is equal to 45 minus 0.75. Do it the means so 44.25 is the required. Okay. Now chop mana median puthos. Okay, so median ki data required data में हम दो so n by 2 n जी का summation of fi sini nadra summation of fi sini summation of fi is equal to 280 ta ginna 2, so we have 140. Okay, so 140 later, median class C. Cumulative frequency to 140 gihek mathang nila is again 158. So the median class is 40 and 50. Natra 40 to 50. So the median class is 40 to 50. Okay. Adu itadi ekoina median ki darkar leba, lower limit of the median class 40. So n is equal to 280. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So median class ki cumulative frequency ki mama. Ado itadi 30 to 40 ki cumulative frequency, which is 100. Mathang the frequency of the median class. Median class si frequency si kaya 58. So we'll take 58. Okay. Next is height of the median class. So height of the median class is 10, or height of the class interval, every class interval. Okay. Now, therefore, median with m height is equal to L plus, okay, n by 2 minus C upon F into H. So LG lower limit of the median class is 40 plus n by 2 is 280 divided by 2 minus 100 upon F is 58 and H is 10. Okay, so let us continue the calculation. So 40 lera natra 280 divided by 2 is 140 natra minus 100 upon 58 into 10. Okay, so we have 40 plus 140 minus 100 is 40 upon 58 into 10. Okay, so we have 40 plus. See the calculator. Okay, so calculate the 2 na 20 like 2 1 19. So we have 29. So we have 200 upon 29. Okay, 200 upon 29 we calculate over, we get 6.9. Okay, so the median is 40 plus 6.9 is 46.9. Okay, so Sumaina median Z calculator. Okay, live question ni, it is not an it is not an easy question. Sorry, it is not a hard question. It is an extremely easy question. However, I could section do is sigi concepts ni. Nadra. Adumaina tawna. So Sumaina sigi concepts si doesn't understand the one chang ko si concepts da coin section do is marks below and piramaba adu data ze. Pull up 0 the below no concept so we need to check this keyword below or under marks under kaina. So under gumba below gumba keywords yautardi we have to segregate the data into class intervals and then continue with the calculation. Okay, so anyways, thank you for joining Anka classes. We will meet again.